I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best of the Best, the team at 3 Generations Improvements in Folsom, California earns the 2024 National Best of the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction, and it's a biggie. 3 Generations, which has a history in this industry dating back well over 100 years, is now the only home improvement company in California to earn our award for 10 years. If you're even considering siding, windows, doors, decks, railings, and more, you simply cannot find a better company than 3 Generations Improvements. Simply one of the best of the best in America, and a great American family business that was built on 2 things: honesty and integrity. It's been another fantastic year at 3 Generations. They've done so many stunning new projects. They've earned so many awesome customer reviews. Nobody at 3 Generations Improvements has ever hired us to produce a video. The owners, the Owens family, with 3 generations in this family business, are simply wonderful people, and they had no idea we were doing this video. At Best of the Best, we do a ton of research on companies that have great customer reviews for years. If we like what we see, we profile the company without telling the owners. We know that gives our videos a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there, and we have loved the story of 3 Generations Improvements now for 10 years. We've done way more research on this company than anyone else has, and they simply set the bar for contractors for us. 3 Generations is just so different. They will only use high-quality products. They really listen to what clients want up front. They have decades of experience on their tight-knit team, and they simply execute on schedule, on budget, no surprises ever, and they have so many repeat clients because of it. All of that is great, but remember, at Best of the Best, we care most about what real customers say in recent reviews, and so should you. We've read every review about this company for a decade now. In 2024, here were just 2 of many that represent how customers feel about this awesome company now. Elena posted on Google, 3G did an incredible job replacing our old wood siding with fiber cement plank siding. The crew was very professional and communicated well with us. The city inspector even commented that they did an excellent job. I would hire them again in a second. Kyle posted on Google, great experience with 3 Generations Improvements. They were friendly, helpful, and did great work. The finished product looks fantastic. Please read the reviews for yourself like we have for a decade now, and you'll be impressed like we are. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. This one does. The team at 3 Generations Improvements has given back quietly to many people and organizations over the years. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations to the Owens family and the awesome team they value so much at 3 Generations Improvements in California on this 2024 national honor from Best of the Best, their 10th. And way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many decades, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.